What you are watching right now is a VR180 video shot on the Insta360 GO 2 in 50 frames per second. GO 2 can natively shoot at 2.6K in 50 frames per second, so two of them can give you roughly 5.2K VR180 video. I stretched it slightly to 5.7K, which is the Oculus TV's highest resolution for VR180 video. The left eye is shot on the latest 64GB GO 2 and the right eye is shot on the 32GB GO 2. I used the Insta360 Cyber Monday discount to get the new 64GB version, which is still available till Christmas. Click the link down below if you are interested. If you are releasing on YouTube VR or Oculus TV, the quality is as good as Insta360 EVO, if not better. Just lesser FOV. GO 2 has about 160 to 170 degrees FOV in Pro Video mode in the raw fisheye. Now, I want to quickly show you the 30 frames per second, which will give you exactly 5.7K VR180 as each eye shoot at 2880p. The quality is slightly better in higher resolution, but as you know by now, a higher frame rate looks better in a VR headset. I will always go for higher frame rate shooting in VR180. 60 frames per second is ideal, but 50 frames per second is still better than Insta360 EVO, which is in 30 frames per second. Want to know more about why a higher frame rate is better in VR180? Watch this demo video right here. In the next 2D tutorial, I will teach you from start to finish how to attach, adjust settings, shoot, edit, and render VR180 video using two Insta360 GO 2. Even you are new to 3D 180 production, you will know what to do after this tutorial. We will cover Misika VR, Misika Boutique, which this sample was created from, and the free solution in Adobe After Effects or DaVinci Resolve 17. The same knowledge will work on any two fisheye cameras combination. So you can do the same thing with two GoPro Hero 10 with the max lens mod, just with a lesser FOV. The best thing about two camera setup like this is the interchangeable IPD distance. The demo you saw here is at IPD 63mm. GO 2 can go all the way to 40mm for macro VR180 or as wide as you want to get that hyper stereo effects. So you can be truly creative with how close you want your camera to your talents. If you don't want to do VR180 post-production and just want something with professional quality out of the box in 8K 60 frames per second, then you should consider the FM Duo or the new Canon VR180 lens with the Canon R5. You are watching a green screen test with FM Duo right now, which is another tutorial coming up very soon on how to do green screen VR180 production and bring your footage into Unreal Engine for environment creation. There are a lot more VR180 related content coming up on our YouTube channel that will unlock your creativity, including Blender for VR180, Unreal Engine 5 for VR film, and other exciting tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumb up for my effort. I also give out a 20% discount on our VR filmmaking masterclass starting today during Cyber Monday all the way till December 14. After that, there will be a big update on our course library, including an all-new session on Misika Boutique. The price will go up to $250 finally, as more value is now added to the masterclass. So don't miss out on your last chance to save on learning. I will see you next time or see you in VR.